시리아 작전 지역에 침투 중인 네이비실 팀이 있습니다. 팀원 중 하나인 존 켈리에겐 마지막 임무였죠. 팀원들은 CIA 요원과 접선해 임무를 전달받기로 한 상황.
Lieutenant Commander. The hostage is a CIA operative. We believe he's being held by Syrian government forces in a nearby building.
How many Syrian troops are we talking about?
I don't have that information.
That was a good talk.
믿음이 가지 않는 CIA 요원 리터와 함께 CIA 정보원이 인질로 잡혀있는 것으로 추정되는 건물로 향하는데
Hostage identity confirmed. It's him.
The hell is this, Ritter? These are ex-Russian military. You said Syrian army, not Russians.
I don't see any Russians. Okay, what are we waiting for? Let's go.
임무 브리핑 때와는 다른 상황에 당황스러운 존. 하지만 리터는 아무렇지 않다는 듯 정보원을 데리고 나가는데 적의 RPG 공격으로 팀 리더인 캐런 소령이 추락하고 역시나 리터는 정보원 외에는 관심이 없었고 존은 캐런과 함께 이곳을 나가려 합니다.
Russian transpo.
Ritter lied. This isn't a safe house. It's a Russian arms depot.
Fire and hold.
Ritter! Explain the Russians!
They weren't just contractors. They were Russian military. But you knew that, didn't you?
의미심장한 미소를 짓는 리터. 팀원을 잃은 존은 리터를 추궁하기 시작합니다.
I should have been fully briefed. The Russians killed one of my men.
That's the job, sweetheart.
Stand down! Do it, Senior Chief! Attaboy!
작전이 끝나고 3개월의 시간이 흐르고 전역을 결심한 존은 임신 중인 아내 팸과 함께 행복한 시간을 보내고 있었죠.
Pam's been telling us you got yourself a fancy new job.
It's private security. Good hours, good pay.
When do you do again?
Next month, the 17th.
Oh.
Babe, could you help me take out the garbage, please?
Yeah, sure.
Daddy, said you like Twister.
All right. Just give me a second. I am on my way. I just got stuck in the... Jesus, man, come on! What the...
순식간에 시리아 작전에 투입됐던 팀원 2명이 죽고 파티를 마치고 집으로 돌아온 존과 팸은 휴식을 취하려 하는데 뭔가 이상함을 느낀 존이 전등을 켜보려 하지만 이미 집안엔 괴환들이 침투한 후였죠. 존은 그제서야 누군가 침입했다는 걸 깨닫게 되는데 괴한이 자리를 뜨자 곧장 아내에게 향하는 존.
What we know is 3 perps are dead, and Senior Chief Kelly is in critical condition. Also killed was his wife. Kelly is the 3rd member of the Special Operations Unit to be attacked in the last 24 hours.
하지만 리터는 특수부대원들이 이 사건에 연루되었을 가능성이 있다는 듯 발언을 하고 회의가 끝나자 캐런은 리터에게 향하는데
My men were not dirty and you know it. What is the whole story?
We're looking into it.
How come both times my world has gone to shit, you're standing in the middle of it?
Just good luck, I guess.
뭔가 숨기는 듯한 리터가 의심스러운 캐런. 생각에 잠긴 그녀에게 국방부 장관 클레이가 찾아옵니다.
Special assignment to the DOD. It's impressive. I did some work with your uncle. He speaks very highly of you and your judgment, which is why I would like to talk to you about John Kelly. Lieutenant Commander, in your opinion, how far can Kelly be trusted?
클레이까지 존을 의심의 눈초리로 바라보는 상황. 존이 깨어났다는 소식에 캐런은 곧장 병원으로 향합니다.
Baby. What was behind it?
I don't know.
Damn it, Rose. Mom got away. All I need is a name.
존의 성격을 알고 있는 캐런은 잠시 고민하더니
Even if I knew, you know I can't do that.
존은 그날 이후 재활에 온 힘을 쏟았고 그의 몸 상태는 날이 갈수록 좋아지고 있었죠.
Lieutenant Commander, come in.
Mr. Secretary, all due respect, the director made it clear us to brief you and you only.
I asked the CIA to brief me on the situation relating to your men. I thought you'd like to be present.
리터는 결국 캐런이 있는 자리에서 사건 브리핑을 시작했고 사건 조사 결과 한 가지 유의미한 정보를 찾았다고 하는데
Webb, Rowdy, and Kelly all seem to have been paid back. All the men Kelly killed in his house had FSB links.
So you were actually telling me the massacres of our men and their families were foreign attacks on U.S. soil? Russians.
By proxy. None of them were connected to Russia in an official capacity.
We're a man short. Kelly said one of the Russians got away. There's 3 men here. Where's the 4th?
It doesn't matter. The CIA's position on this moving forward is that the matter is closed.
What?
The director considers the score even. She feels it's unnecessary to poke the bear any further.
If Sarah believes there's not enough intel for me to generate a response, my hands are tied.
팀원들이 죽은 사건이 영원히 묻히게 된 상황. 캐런은 존을 찾아갑니다.
CIA doesn't support any further investigation into the attacks or Pam's murder.
그녀의 말에 존은 크게 실망하는데요.
They know it was Russian nationals. It's just a file on a classified server somewhere now.
차마 말도 꺼내지 못하는 존을 본 캐런은 가방에서 무언가를 꺼냅니다.
Probably gonna go to jail for this. These are your toe tags. I got them from Secretary Clay.
What's the 4th?
Your survivor's a ghost, but these 3 were cleared by the chief of intel, Andrei Vasiliev, ex-FSB. He's the one who issued their passports.
Vasiliev. He'll know who the 4th man is. Anybody talk to him yet?
He's full-on untouchable.
존은 네 번째 인물에 대한 정보를 얻기 위해 바실리에프를 만날 방법을 생각해냅니다.
Твой брат? Сосать. Это твой брат. You gotta get out of here. No. Back up. Back up.
I get it. I just need to go.
바로 그때 바실리에프가 나타나고 존은 그가 타는 차량을 확인하고 돌아섭니다.
911, what's the nature of the emergency?
Hey, I'm dropping off somebody at Dulles Airport. I hate to be this guy, but I'm pretty sure he flashed a gun at me. Dark SUV, license plate RT5629.
Почему это занимает столько времени, чтобы избавиться от этих полицейских, я не понимаю.
You remember me? Who killed my wife? Huh? Who's the 4th guy in my house? Give me a name.
John Kelly, you are a problem, John. You're supposed to be dead, so wherever you go, death will follow.
You give me a name. Give me a name and I'll make it quick.
Victor Reiko.
존은 현장에서 체포되고 다음날 클레이는 시리아 작전뿐 아니라 최근 특수부대원들의 죽음과 관련해 러시아 개입을 의심하는 뉴스를 접하고 있었는데
We didn't leak the Russian thing. Well, why would we? We were the ones trying to cover it up. As a courtesy, Director Dillard thought you might want to know how Kelly got to Vasiliev.
Lieutenant Commander Greer?
And we can't prove it. There's the obvious concern that this new development sends the wrong message to Moscow.
The wrong message. They hit us at home. Now they're paying attention.
And Kelly has a big target on his back. Even in prison, he won't be safe.
You're pretty messy right now.
No, I'm not. I spent half my life playing that game. We served the country that didn't love us back. But they crossed the line. They brought that war into my house. They took my wife. They took my baby girl before she got a chance to take a breath. That contract is broken. They're gonna play by my rules now. I'll show them what a pawn could do to a king. Files you got on those Russians. Secretary Clay gave it to you, right? I need you to get a message to him. But I found out something.
What do you have?
If he wants to know what I know, then he gotta get me out of here. And fast. Why do you think I ended up in a prison full of Russian mob? They can get to me in here.
면회를 마치고 이동하는 존. 그의 예상대로 존을 바라보는 교도관들의 눈빛이 예사롭지 않습니다. 밖으로 나가지 못한다면 여기서 죽을 게 뻔한 상황. 존이 고민에 빠져있던 그때.
On your feet, turn around, face the wall.
Why would I do that?
Taking you on a little trip.
If you can't tell me where I'm going, I'm not moving.
존은 알고 있었습니다. 문 밖을 나가면 어떤 상황이 벌어질지 말이죠. 교도관이 자리를 뜨자 무언가를 준비하기 시작한 존.
Senior Chief Kelly. I'm gonna slide a phone through your hatch. Somebody would like to talk to you.
캐런은 존이 정보를 가지고 있다는 말로 장관을 설득하는 데 성공했고 장관은 존을 풀어주기로 합니다.
Unless you're not done.
I'm done. Oh, you messed up when they sent the motorcade.
얼마 뒤 창고에 도착한 존. 캐런은 존을 데리고 컨테이너 안으로 들어가는데
John, have you met Sarah Dillard? He runs the CIA. So, what have you learned? Make our trip down here worthwhile.
Victor Rykov. Who's the fourth gunman at my house?
존의 입에서 네 번째 인물로 추정되는 이름이 나오자 클레이와 CIA 측 모두 당황할 수밖에 없었는데
How do you know that name?
He killed my wife.
Victor Rykov is dead.
Who the hell is Victor Rykov?
He's classified.
Tell the man.
Victor Anatoly Rykov, born in Tumen, suspected Russian Special Forces.
존의 예상대로 빅토르는 특수부대원 출신의 프로였죠. 하지만 리턴은 존이 빅토르의 얼굴을 봤다는 말을 믿지 않았는데
Tran, can you reassure us that Mr. Kelly wouldn't know Mr. Rykov if he was standing in front of him? Put him in a lineup, please.
여러 명의 용의자 얼굴이 화면에 뜨자 잠시 살펴보던 존이 자신 있게 대답합니다.
Top right. Yeah, that's him.
아내를 죽인 범인을 잊을 수 없는 존. 정확히 빅토르를 알아채는 존의 모습에 CIA는 더 이상 숨길 수 없다고 판단하죠.
If it is him, what do we do?
If Rykov is alive, we need to find him and bring him in. If I had to guess, he's probably staged out of Russia.
I need to be on that team.
I don't think that would be optimal, sir. It is my opinion that Senior Chief Kelly is not in the right state of mind to be in the field right now.
With all due respect, I think he's perfectly suited. He goes too.
캐런의 반대에도 클레이는 존을 팀에 합류시켰고 다음 날 캐런이 이끄는 팀과 CIA 팀이 러시아에 침투할 준비를 합니다.
Flying civilian? Given the heightened tension with Russia, it's the cleanest plan. We cannot leave a trace of U.S. presence behind. Understood?
Hey, Ritter, you're not joining us.
I'll see you over there.
리터가 떠나고 비행기가 뜨자 존은 자신을 팀에서 제외하려 했던 캐런을 찾아갑니다.
What was that? You don't trust me no more.
Like I said, you're pretty messy right now.
Before I put a bullet in Vasily's head, you know what he told me?
You're supposed to be dead, so wherever you go, Desmond, follow him.
He was right. If I hadn't been on that mission in Aleppo, if I would have pulled out one tour earlier, my wife, my kid, I'd still be here. It's my family. I'm gonna make it right.
This isn't a revenge mission. This is an extraction. We are going to bring him to justice. Tell me that's going to be enough for you.
I'm done making promises that I can't keep.
복수를 다짐하는 존을 본 캐런은 더 이상 그를 막지 못했고 얼마 뒤 비행기는 러시아 영공에 도착합니다.
This is Russian Air Force armed Su-57. Depart immediately to Murmansk Airdrome. UL. Stay low.
팀원들의 도움으로 목숨을 건진 존. 특수부대 팀원들이 러시아에 입성합니다.
They're pulling us out, right?
Not until the mission's over.
I figured since we just exploded in the sky.
But everyone thinks we're dead. That's the one thing we got going for us.
목숨을 건 작전을 앞두고 서로 통성명을 하며 긴장을 푸는 사이 존의 머리를 스치는 쎄한 직감.
Still not adding up. What if us getting shot down wasn't an accident? Ritter was the one who said Rykov was dead. He was also the one who stopped the investigation to my wife's murder. Isn't that right? So now he's the only asshole. The only one that wasn't on the plane.
Give me a reason. What reason would he possibly have to sack the mission?
그 시각 존과 켈리를 기다리고 있는 리터도 러시아 영공을 침범한 미국의 비행기를 격추했다는 뉴스를 접하고 있었죠.
Hey, turn around. Slowly, hands off.
What's happening here, Greer?
Quiet! What's the money for, Ritter?
Now, why weren't you on the plane? How did they know where to find us? Russian airspace. We're like bullshit. Same thing happened in Aleppo. What's the real mission? Talk. I'm trying to get Rykov.
리터는 비행기 격추로 특수부대 팀원이 모두 사망했다 판단하고 다른 용병들을 계약해 작전 수행하려 했다고 하는데
threat of more attacks is real. We need to get Rykov. You want Rykov? I can get you to it. That's what you want, isn't it? Easy.
모든 정황이 리터를 배신자로 볼 수밖에 없는 상황. 존 또한 의심을 거둘 수 없었고 러시아 땅에서 믿을 사람이라곤 팀원들과 리터뿐인 상황. 특수부대와 CIA의 빅토르 체포작전이 시작됩니다. 존의 스코프에 아내를 죽인 범인 빅토르가 들어옵니다. 해가 저물자 팀원들은 빅토르가 있는 건물로 향합니다. 무언가 발견한 존은 팀원들과 거리를 두더니 팀원들의 접근을 막고 홀로 빅토르에게 향하는데
John Kelly, good to see you again.
My wife's name was Pam. You're gonna say it before you die.
I didn't kill your wife. A decision did.
마치 존이 올 걸 미리 알고 있었다는 듯 침착하게 말을 이어가던 빅토르는 충격적인 말을 꺼내는데
You know I'm in the CIA, John? We wanted you here. You or anyone like you. What did they tell you? That you were here to prevent an upcoming attack? There are no other ops, John. You and me being here is the op.
빅토르는 몸에 엄청난 양의 폭약을 두른 채 존을 기다리고 있었던 것이죠.
We fancy ourselves true patriots. We accept the possibility of our death. Both of us.
빅토르가 알 수 없는 말을 늘어놓던 그때 팀원들도 집 안으로 진입하는 데 성공하고
Our lives offered willingly for the highest cause.
What cause is that?
America, John.
빅토르의 행동이 모두 국가를 위해서였다는 말에 존은 혼란스러웠고
All we have to do is die.
빅토르가 있던 곳으로 팀원들이 모여듭니다.
You wanted us here. He was waiting for. Sniper!
Hey, Dallas is down!
Where's it coming from?
Dallas, can you move?
Where's he at?
Kelly, it's from your stick!
Help me!
It's not that time.
Cover me.
Move!
Third floor, second window!
Come on!
Get him out of there!
We need it out! Thunder's down! There's a sniper covering the entry point! We need to find another way! We gotta frag that sniper. Ceasefire! Ceasefire!
퇴로가 막힌 상황에서 경찰들까지 현장에 도착하고 마는데요.
They just killed 2 police officers.
저격수들이 노린 건 특수부대원들의 목숨만이 아니었던 것인데
Because it looks like we did it.
경찰들까지 죽이는 모습을 본 존은 그제서야 깨닫습니다.
The dead Russians in my house. They wanted us to find them. They wanted us to find a dead Russian soldier on American soil.
And if we die here, then they'll find a bunch of dead American soldiers on Russian soil too.
And if we kill a couple cops on the way out of here, everything. The assassination of the team, my house, this op was a setup from the beginning.
They're trying to start a war.
Like Rykov said, now all we gotta do is die.
Yeah, we're not gonna do that. We gotta take out this sniper in the hallway. I need you to buy us an exit.
Move. Thunder, pass me your pack.
존은 저격수 사각지대 벽에 폭약을 설치해 퇴로를 확보할 계획이었죠. 벽에 생긴 구멍을 통해 저격수를 피해 이동하는 팀원들. 계획대로 1층으로 내려가는 계단까지 이동하는데 성공합니다. 어렵게 1층에 도착한 팀원들. 하지만 이미 그곳은 경찰들에 포위된 상태였고 곧 들이닥칠 것 같은 상황에서 고민하던 존이 입을 뗍니다.
I got a plan. I'm gonna get up to the roof and clear a path for you guys.
We're not leaving you behind.
We can't leave anybody behind. If we leave a trace, they're gonna get their war. You gotta get the team out of here. To them, I'm not a soldier. I'm a felon.
국방부와 CIA의 계획은 러시아 땅에서 미국 군인을 죽게 하는 것. 존은 바실리에프를 살해한 일로 군인 신분을 박탈당하고 범죄자가 된 자신이 이곳에 남는 건 문제가 되지 않을 거라 판단한 것이었죠.
I can die here.
존은 이곳에 혼자 남아 팀원이 빠져나갈 시간을 벌어주려 합니다. 존이 최대한 시간을 끄는 사이 팀원들은 이곳을 벗어나는 데 성공합니다. 겨우 현장을 빠져나온 존은 약속 장소로 향했고 그곳에는 캐런이 그를 기다리고 있었죠. 겨우 목숨을 건진 팀원들은 미국행 배에 몸을 싣게 됩니다.
You guys heard what Rykov said, right?
He said it started in D.C.
I thought I was a pawn hunting a king. Rykov wasn't a king. He was just me on the other side. Pawns could never kill a king. All I've got to go back to is jail.
더 이상 어떻게 해볼 방법이 보이지 않는 상황. 포기하려는 존을 본 리턴은 한 가지 제안을 하는데
There's a duffel bag of money below deck. It's yours. But you never made it out alive. You died in Murmansk. With you as a ghost, maybe we can find out who's behind this.
I was wrong about you.
미국으로 돌아온 존과 팀원들은 가장 먼저 국방부 장관을 만나보기로 합니다.
Mr. Secretary, Greer told me you were dead. I'm sorry to sneak up on you like this, but I had to go ghost. It was the only way I can get you the information.
What information?
We weren't supposed to make it out of there alive. Sir, this was a CIA op. They ran it out of D.C. the entire time. They're trying to heat up tension with Russia.
You're not suggesting Dillard.
I know she doesn't seem like the type of person that would put an operative in an explosive vest. Have him blow himself up.
Well, that's exactly my point.
Thing is, Greer left that part out of the report. And when I said that just now, you didn't seem a bit surprised.
Well, nothing surprises me anymore, John.
There you go. You sent me all over this world. Put my life on the line because I believed that our way would keep people like you in check.
Hold on, John. You're confused.
So you're gonna tell me why? Why my family? Why kill my team?
You are making a mistake.
You know what we dropped? You had a farm out in West Virginia, right? Your daughter should be home from college. Your wife, your son too. So I suggest you start talking. I'm gonna make you watch me kill your whole damn family.
가족을 볼모로 협박하는 존. 클레이는 한 수 없이 모든 사실을 털어놓기 시작합니다.
You know who won World War II? Wasn't the generals or the admirals. It was the economists. More tanks, planes, ships, and all that spending lifted this entire nation out of poverty. Freed the world from tyranny. A big country needs big enemies. The problem today, John, is half this country thinks the other half is its enemy because they have no one else to fight. So we gave them a real enemy. And it works, John. You just wouldn't die.
You had no right to take so much from us. Her name was Pam, and you're gonna say it before you die.
차가 강바닥을 향해 내려가는 상황. 죽음을 앞둔 클레이에게 존이 말을 건네는데 물이 턱 밑까지 차올라서야 존의 아내의 이름을 말하는 클레이. 존의 아내의 이름을 외치고 숨을 거두는 클레이. 하지만 복수를 마친 존은 밖으로 나갈 생각이 없어 보였죠.
A lot less people than I thought.
We gave them a real enemy. And it works, John. You just wouldn't die.
I need a favor.
Vasiliev did say that none of this would be over until John Kelly was dead.
He's your new legend, courtesy of your little friend Ritter. What are you gonna do, John?
What we do best. Disappear.
새 신분을 얻은 존이 사라지며 영화가 끝이 남.
Director, congratulations on the promotion, by the way. I've been thinking about what happened, about how it could happen again. So I put together some thoughts. A multinational counter-terrorist team.
Who's gonna run that kind of thing?
I would. I want to present it to the president.
Do now. Hey, John. It's good to have you back.
It's good to be back.
워싱턴으로 돌아온 존을 비추며 영화 위드와 리모스가 끝이 납니다. 아마존 프라임 오리지널 영화 위드와 리모스였습니다. 북미 군사 첩보 소설의 대가 톰 클랜시의 동명 소설을 원작으로 한 영화로 8, 90년대생에게 익숙한 게임인 레인보우 6의 시작이 되는 내용입니다. 공개 당시 해외평은 그다지 좋지 않았지만 원작을 보지 않은 저로서는 재미있게 시청했습니다. 스토리가 다소 익숙했지만 액션도 좋았고 무난하게 보기 편한 영화인 것 같습니다. 조금은 뻔한 전개라도 복수를 향한 한 남자의 거침없는 모습과 투박하고 파워풀한 액션을 좋아하시는 분들에게 추천드리며 영상 마치겠습니다. 지금까지 심야극장이었습니다. 감사합니다.